What's up guys, my name is Alan, I'm a Wix developer, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know about accepting payments online using Wix.com. That's right, I'm going to teach you guys how to accept payments via online store, via the pricing plans, using a single button to accept pricing, and pretty much everything in between in regards to accepting pricing and payments directly using your Wix.com website. And if at any point you would like to reach out to me regarding your project, I am available for hire via the Wix.com marketplace. So without further delay, let's go ahead and get right into it and learn how to accept payments on our Wix.com website. First, you're obviously going to need a Wix.com website. So go ahead, create your website, and you'll be introduced to your Wix dashboard, and it'll say hello and then your name. First thing we need to do is at the bottom left-hand corner, we will need to click on settings. From here, we have two options we really need to look into. Option number one is the accept payments, and option number two is the language and region. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and click on language and region, and I'm going to help you guys understand how to specifically accept a specific currency. So this video is for those who are accepting one currency only, but you can go ahead and set the currency you would like to charge in. So if you're charging in USD, go ahead and select the USD dollar. In my case, it's in Canada, so I'll be selecting CAD. But remember that selecting the currency is probably one of your best bets because you may want to accept different currencies instead of the one that you're currently in. So accepting currency, super important step. Number two is the final step in regards to accepting payments online via Wix, and that's the accept payments option here. So let's go ahead and select this here. Again, everything can be found under the settings tab at the bottom left-hand corner of your editor and your dashboard. And first option you'll notice here is that you need to go ahead and select the country in which you're based out of. So make sure you select the country. If you're in a different country and select a different currency, that's totally fine. But just make sure you set up that pre-fundamentals there. Now, in regards to accepting credit cards, MasterCard, Amex, Visa, Apple Pay, GPay, and pretty much everything in between, you're going to always have to complete the setup between this option or selecting PayPal. So in this case, I'll go ahead and just accept PayPal for now. I'm going to go ahead and click on Connect PayPal. And to connect PayPal, allowing people to pay you via credit card, MasterCard, or Amex using PayPal, PayPal being the middleman, them taking the payment on your behalf, then giving it to you. You're just going to have to simply scroll down here and simply connect your PayPal account right here and clicking on connect. From here, if this is the very first time you've connected PayPal, as I mentioned before, you're going to go ahead and have to select you're going to have to go through the PayPal setup for the business PayPal account. Okay, so no matter what, you're going to have to obviously connect and create a PayPal account for business. Likewise, when we go back to settings and accept payments for the very first time for credit card, Visa, debit Visa, etc., if we click connect here, then we're going to be introduced to connecting using Wix. In this case, we just want to make sure that we're not selling anything illegal by just clicking accept and continue. And then from here, we can go ahead and accept credit, debit Visa, Apple Pay, GPay, etc. And we're just going to go ahead and click continue. Lo and behold, you're going to be again requested to give your business information. So you'll go ahead and click on complete setup once you're done, and go ahead and either select your corporation details, corporation number, bank details, etc. Thus, when you hit submit and get approved after a couple days, you'll finally be able to accept payments for the very first time. So that is the basic setup for accepting payments for the first time. We need to be under the settings panel, under accept, under language and region, select a currency, select the payment and connecting our payment provider, and that's pretty much it. You're ready to accept payments. Step number two is making sure that you build a website that is going to work for your business. So if you're an online store, you're going to go ahead and add the Wix online store. And because you've already set up the prepayments right here and the language information right here, then your store, every single time you add a product using the Wix online store, you'll be able to get paid immediately once someone purchases a product. In regards to different payment options, you're going to go ahead and go into the little plus button within the editor, and there is an option here that says payments. So we know we looked at the Wix online store. in a sense that Wix Online Store is great to accept payments. However, we do have a payment option, which means that we can go ahead and select these little pay buttons and throw them pretty much anywhere we want on the website. And we can go ahead and click on settings, and we can go ahead and say, hey, when someone clicks on this button, we're gonna charge them $35. Just remember to make sure that you've selected your currency, and that's pretty much it. We can use pay buttons to accept payments. We can use another popular product, which is the Wix pricing plans, which allows you to basically charge a monthly cost to a service, to a product, to a reoccurring service, whether you're a gym, you're a, pretty much anything that's going to be recurring. So the main products within the editor are going to be the payment buttons, the PayPal buttons, the donation buttons, which is really, really simple, the donation campaign, the pricing plan, the store, and then obviously you have your pay buttons. Everything is related to, and making sure it's going to go through this little option here. So no matter what product you have, if you do not have under your settings, if you do not have accept payments done right through here, you will not actually be able to accept payments. So make sure that you guys have completed these two options. And in my next video, I'm going to go ahead and go into every single one of these products and really help you guys set up these products and accept payments through these products. Okay, so this was the fundamental of accepting payments for the very first time. In order to accept payments, it does have to happen within your dashboard under settings, selecting the region, accepting the currency, and then accepting the payments, usually making sure that you've connected your account directly with Wix.com. Okay, so hopefully this video has helped you guys. Thank you so much. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day.